Cannabinoids are biologically active compounds sourced from the cannabis plant. While over 100 different cannabinoids have been identified, only THC and CBD are well studied. That's because THC and CBD are abundant in the plant and easiest to extract. Attention is now turning to rare cannabinoids for their potential medicinal properties. The problem is, rare cannabinoids form less than 1% of the plant, so they're much more difficult and expensive to extract. Plus, the grow, harvest, extract technique requires months of cycle time, and there may be issues with purity, quality, and consistency. Some rare cannabinoids can be produced chemically, but these chemically manufactured cannabinoids aren't always bioidentical, and it can also produce byproducts and impurities. Recently, biosynthesis has been used to produce bioidentical cannabinoids. Biosynthesis involves genetically engineering a microbe, like bacteria or yeast, to create living factories, working to produce specific therapeutic molecules. Insulin is one good example. However, getting a single microbe to perform the entire process may reduce yield. So then, how can we achieve consistent, pharmaceutical-grade rare cannabinoids that are bioidentical? InMed's scientific team has developed IntegraSyn, a flexible, high-yield, and cost-effective system for manufacturing cannabinoids. IntegraSyn combines the benefits of biosynthesis with other traditional pharmaceutical manufacturing methods. What are the features of IntegraSyn? 1. IntegraSyn reduces the number of expensive manufacturing steps. 2. IntegraSyn allows for flexibility, shifting from production of one cannabinoid to a range of others. 3. IntegraSyn is designed to produce the consistent, compliant, high-pure cannabinoids required for pharmaceutical products. InMed believes IntegraSyn may be the solution to producing cost-effective rare cannabinoids at commercial scale. InMed Pharmaceuticals, unlocking the potential of new cannabinoid medicines.